The old woman speaks, voice soft, worn but strong. She looks into the camera as if talking to the viewer directly. I don't remember the last time I rested without thinking of something that still needed to be done. But I remember every goat I've nursed back to health, every prayer I've whispered under my breath while milking them, and every tear I've wiped alone. This is my life, and I thank Allah for it every single day. Cut to her feeding goats, hauling buckets of water, brushing the animals with care. My name is Khadija. I live in a small village tucked between dry hills and green fields. I've lived here my entire life. No big cities, no cars, no noise, just the wind, the animals, and the prayer call echoing across the land. When I was younger, I dreamed of a simpler life, but I didn't imagine it would be this hard. My husband passed when I was 43. Since then, it's just been me, the goats, and the mercy of Allah. I have 4 goats now, all with names and personalities. I know when they're sad, I know when they're hungry, and they know when I'm tired too. Susin, Khadija sitting on a rock near her small pen, sipping tea from a tin cup, goats grazing nearby. There are days when I wake up and every bone in my body asks me to stay in bed, but my heart replies, not yet. There is no one else to carry the buckets, no one else to clean the pen, no one else to earn the little money I get from selling milk. And yet, I feel rich, not in coins but in lessons. If you take care of what Allah gives you, He will take care of you. That's what my mother used to say, and I have seen it with my own eyes. Some close-up, her hands milking a goat slowly, gently. Some people ask me why I don't stop. Why not rest? Why not move to the city with my nephew? I smile and say, because this land still remembers my footsteps, and these goats, they still need me. Seen, she's washing clothes in a metal basin, her back bent, humming a soft tune. There is blessing in struggle. I've learned that hardship doesn't always mean punishment. Sometimes it's purification, sometimes it's training. Allah knows what He's doing even when we don't. I used to complain. I used to cry and ask, why me? Now, I say Alhamdulillah even when tears fall, because hardship with patience is not suffering, it's worship. Soft instrumental music begins as she walks through a dusty path, goats trailing behind. I want to tell you something. Don't waste your time chasing a life that looks perfect on the outside but feels empty inside. The world will try to convince you that success means comfort. But real success is peace in the heart. And that comes from purpose, not possessions. And you don't need to live in a village to understand this. Wherever you are, remember. Feed your soul before you feed your desires. Feed your heart with remembrance before your hands reach for your phone. Feed others, even animals, and Allah will feed you with barakah. Mulisin. A young girl from the village visits, and Khadija gives her a small glass of warm milk. She smiles, gives her dua. We're not here forever, you know. This life, it's a passing guest. Treat it kindly, but don't cling too tightly. The goats, the wind, the prayer mat under my feet, they remind me every day. This life is a test, not a destination. Final scene. She lays down her prayer mat at sunset, goats resting nearby. Her shadow stretches long across the field. So if you're watching this and you're feeling tired, lost, or alone, remember this. An old woman in a quiet village is making dua for strength, not just for herself but for you too. May Allah put barakah in your time. May He ease your work. May He soften your heart. And may He never let you forget. The one who sees your silent struggle sees your silent strength too. Fade to black with soft music and a dua on screen. Ya Allah, make us among those who work with sincerity, who live with gratitude, and who return to you with peace in our hearts. Call to action. Voiceover as text fades in. If this story touched you, share it with someone who needs a little reminder of what really matters. Subscribe for more stories from the corners of the world most people forget, but Allah never does.